Alright guys, pass from...
What's up, Plan B? There's a bit.
No!
My life sucks.
Alright, just a little bit of athleticism is required. Now, going into our class for this fucking morning. Alright, what we're going to be... Alright. Huh? Oh yeah, I'm good.
Only on the field. Like, yeah, I see the hip hop brothers and instructors that like turn Texas and they just 24 hours.
It is so demoralizing having those instructors.
Not get in the path. You keep going, but don't get in the path. Let me get the first team right here. I'm in. Hurry up, boys. Let's go.
Okay. So we'll start with the personal camo, right? And that's obviously your cami paint, over whites. I don't think I've ever seen the winter cami pack. I don't think we sell it here, which is party, right? So there's a couple things we could do to.
Hey, those are the boots. You want to take a picture of the
Look at the polls now.
There you go. Look at that.
Are they all basically online? You guys see what I'm talking about now? Cool. Go to the right. Exactly.
You're on hot water duty tonight.
You're on my hot water.
All right. What I want you guys to do.
Am I allowed to say avalanche? Sure.
With the handle. Does that make sense? Let's hit it. Hey, why Scott turn with me? The couple of verses leading up to Philippians 4:13 really brings greater weight. And he says, not that I'm speaking of being in need, for I have learned in whatever situation. Let me share with you, again, kind of some greater weight as to what the Apostle Paul went through as a follower of Christ.
We go this way? Connects back over here. You don't want to leave all this empty. That's part of it.
Over there?
Bring it in the Mick whip? Oh, it's in the Mick whip. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Oh. Where's Sorry.
fucking, I don't know if it's like where we are.
So, you guys are digging the next right. It's a good move, right? But you can also use
Hey, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Evaporate.
Yeah, there you go. And then we can just, you can go ahead and put some ice in there.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. While he's setting that up, I was going to pack snow in there for him.
Word.
There you go. I mean, you can use that to make it boil faster.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it after.
Oh, once you get the pot on there already?
Yeah.
Dude, just take more longer than that.
Is it just a fireball?
Was that Howard?
No, your chest has to be all the way forward, buddy. This is still forward. This is you.
Set. Go.
I got this whole string. I got holding back. Don't worry,
Hey, he's kind of dusty.
Go in the middle. Look called probe right. Probe left. Nothing. One step forward. And you continue that until you get a strike. Does that make sense? All right.
So you gotta do it like one by one. See how tricky it gets at the end? See, there's a lot of slack all the way back to the section. For the range started.
Poke left. Poke right. Step. Poke center. Poke left. Poke center. Poke left.